Some dolphins, but I don't know if I can zoom in on them very well with my camera. They're way out there. Oh, I see them pop up. They're having fun in the waves, but I don't know if you can see them on the camera. Can't really see them out there. That was cool though. We are at the museum. I don't see a sign. There's no sign. There. It's MOSH. MOSH. This is MOSH store, but anyways, we're here. Y'all ready to go in? The first one is Atlantic Tales. So it's all of the ocean creatures and stuff of the Atlantic Ocean. Dolphin. Whales. Whoa. I can't film everything, but this is kind of what it looks like so far. Exciting. Exciting. Yeah, his eye. Well, its eye looks really cool. It's massive. Can you imagine that? That's a big old whale. And they got a baby one over here too. You want to feel the eye? Come here. Wow. Let's go look at the baby one. Here's a little one. There's a baby. The baby's even so big. I love their eyes. So shiny and glossy. Ooh, what do they got there? We'll have to find out. That's a touch tank. So we'll be back here at 12:30 so the kids can touch sea anemones and hermit crabs. Yes, they're safe. You'll be able to touch. But right now we're looking at the comparison of a human skeletal structure to a dolphin's. Yes, Audrey, they're safe. They're not going to let you touch anything in the touch tank that'll hurt you. Cool. Oh, yeah, you want to see it? Look at the video. Oh, turtles in the net.
Instead of getting trapped.
Oh, my goodness. Sea lice. Oh, no, those are the things that bite you. Oh, no. Oh, my goodness. So they got the different creatures color-coded. So summertime, let's see, summertime, you can see the different colored dots and that tells you where they migrate to. So you've got a humpback whale yellow, dolphin is blue, pilot whale's purple, I guess, manatee is green, and right whale is red.
We saw dolphins.
Yep, we saw dolphins. Where are we? We're springtime.
Not really. But we still saw dolphins.
Yeah, we still saw dolphins. We saw dolphins yesterday. What is this little, how do I not know that island? What is that?
I don't know.
Okay, we'll pick you up, JoJo. Alright, moving on. Restroom? Oh, they can go see the dinosaur real fast. They really have been begging to see this. We're coming over here to see the Allosaurus.
That looks real when they just painted it.
They've had this thing forever. If I'm correct, this is the thing that I've had my picture taken in front of it when I was like Josie's age. So, you guys, I'm totally getting your picture taken in front of this. We gotta do it.
Audrey?
We gotta do it. What is a dinosaur? Nope. They don't want you getting over there because they don't want people to break it.
Look, it's already been broken many times. This is a real
Oh, it's
dinosaur.
awesome.
Unless they put the bones together wrong.
Alright, we're trying to create some... Oh, I almost dropped the camera. We're trying to create some electricity over here. Audrey's got 4 watts going. She's charging up that clock. And then she had 5 for the phone. We need Dad and Jedediah to help out over here. See how much energy you can create. Don't get close, Whit. Keep going. Up, you got 4 for the phone. Or the clock. Now the phone. Can you get 10 for the iPad?
No, hold on,
Oh, go, 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 go. Don't get close, Jojo. Keep going. Let's see how many you can get. 2 hours later.
Audrey, why are you crying?
She was still afraid. She's still scared. She thought that Marty had left her when he was sitting on the other side of Whitaker Jedi on the bench. Okay, Dad's got 4. 4 watts. 5 watts. Whoa, he jumped all the way to 30 watts. He made it to 60. Okay, 45 and 10 are not lighting up. Awesome job. Oh, let's let JoJo have a turn too. Oh, you'll get a turn. Okay, let Josie have a turn, Jedediah. Daddy, let her have a turn, Daddy. Let's see if she can do it too. Come on, girl. Crank that wheel. You got it. Let's see if you can at least get 4 watts. Yay! She did. You got 4 watts. Look at her face. She's loving it. All right, moving on. Reach in there. Reach in and touch this. Look in there. 1 finger. Careful. Wait, 1 finger to go, guys. How does it feel?
Grab onto you.
Can you touch them? I'm surprised you can touch them and not get zapped.
Yeah, they grab onto you.
Keep going. Y'all can walk around.
They're related to
Ooh,
starfish.
touching things. Let me see. What are you going to touch, Audrey?
I
can't touch the anemone. Did you touch the anemone's sticky and what? Scared to touch it. You too scared to touch it? Okay, I'm going to let you get down.
I'm grabbing my hand.
It's just a rock, bud. I do want to touch the... It's gentle, gentle. Ooh.
Touch that.
Oh, you want to touch the anemone?
Yeah. What is that? Does that?
Oh! Okay, be gentle, Jedediah.
Does it hurt you?
Nope, this kind's not hurting. This one's just kind of sticky. So be very careful because it kind of suction cups to your finger. But it actually doesn't shock you. It sticks to your fingers. Isn't that cool? Do it again, gentle.
We can use our whole hands.
It's gonna stick to your fingers. It's stuck to you. Look, it's like being at the zoo. There's some gopher tortoises, and there's a possum up in there hiding inside her little thing, you know, Bobber. And we got some salamanders and a giant toad up in there. You see a turtle? Whoa, look at this dude.
World tree frog.
He's amazing. What is an eastern tiger salamander? Eastern tiger salamander. And this is a loggerhead musk turtle. Cool.
This
Mangrove salt marsh snake. Let me see it. Sticky.
Yep.
A spotted bullhead. Is that a catfish, Daddy?
No.
It's like a type of catfish.
Yeah, it is.
Spotted bullhead.
It's a toad. It's a toad.
There's a
I
toad.
used to catch
A
these.
southern toad.
We used to catch.
Yeah, we did. We have toads all at home. A house gecko. I don't see the house gecko anywhere. It must be hiding somewhere.
Tree frog, so it's probably
And then there's what's down there.
and it's
A
probably
brown anole. This is an anole lizard. There it is. It's on the log. I see the anole.
Oh.
I don't see the tree frog.
Where is it? Oh, there's the anole. I see you, little anole. Look at the little baby gator. Me. So they sound like
That's right.
me.
Oh, it's a big owl.
I knew I was hearing a dove. Whoa, hi, Mr. Owl. He's looking at us.
What is that, screech owl? Yep.
I got a whisper. He's looking at us like he's quite annoyed.
They took whatever.
A snake? It's just a corn snake.
More turtle.
Yeah, it's a corn snake. Yeah, you're right.
All right, we've got 10 We want to hit up.
All right, we gotta go. We're gonna go to the planetarium and go see the show.
Come on, guys.
We don't want to miss it.
To the MOSH Museum, we get a better zoo.
Ah, better zoo. Turtle doves. I know. 2 turtle doves.
These exhibits are better
I
than
think
the MOSH.
than the zoo. Yeah,
comes to
this
these,
when it
this
comes
kind
to
of
these exhibits, yeah, the smaller ones. When it comes to smaller ones.
What is that, snake?
Eastern indigo
They
snake.
are,
Ooh,
they
aren't
are-
they venomous?
No, I don't think so. But they
You don't think
are,
so?
Going extinct.
Ooh.
So they are one of those snakes
They're
where if you get found out killing them,
Oh, you get in
you
trouble.
you get fined. They are on the endangered species
Here is the
list.
Florida king snake. Look at that
Josie,
king
close
snake.
it,
We
come
don't
on.
have king snakes that big in our yard. I'm sure they get big.
They'll get that big.
Actually, that's one of the good snakes.
Yes, very good snake.
This
We
is
like
what we've
those.
seen. That's the kind we've caught before.
Yep, we've caught those. The little stripy ones. Come over here and you can see it. Look through this part. He's in the back. Cool. And a box turtle. I see the little box turtle over there. We'll pick you up, Whitaker. And there's one right here.
I'm just kidding, its feet.
Oh, its little leg. I was gonna say, don't do that to me. Don't make me think
Feet
that
are
he's
out.
dead.
Really funny though.
They are. He might be
Something wrong
injured.
with it.
He may be injured, and they're trying to rehabilitate him.
I
Yeah.
bet you that's what
Okay, the little ones need to see. All right.
you
Now
look
we're in the
around and see
nanotechnology. Nano, the way of the future.
And look,
Part of it's really cool, but then part of it's like
look at this, Jenna.
kind of
How big do
freaky.
you think I can build this up?
But this water's gross. I think it's because it's rusting. The metal on the inside's rusting. But look at that. Let me see. What are you doing?
I'm increasing the size. Stop.
Audrey, stop. Let Daddy's.
I'm sending all the
Oh, the
metal
little piece is over.
to one place.
I see them. You're shooting them up in there, and then they're all going over. I see that. Cool. Neat.
Watch. I'll do it the other way.
Whoa, do it again. Come here, Jedi. Watch this. This is cool. Watch what Dad does.
Where's our youngest?
She's over there.
Where's our oldest?
Jedi, come here and watch what Dad can do. It's really cool.
Jediah, come here. Whitaker, come here.
Y'all come watch. Watch. Ooh.
I can't see.
Yeah, you can see through the other side. Isn't that cool? Come over here and stand by me and you can see. Oh, that's really neat. I think you and I are the only one that's interested in it. Everybody else took off. Where's our littlest? Oh, she's over here building. Carbon atoms. You are building? Look at that. You can connect them. Oh, did it go under?
Yeah.
Find it. I got you, dear. I got you. Gonna build another piece onto another piece onto another piece. Wait, my little thing came off. There it is.
What?
Stack them on. Build
All
them
right.
up.
Let's go ahead and get up.
Yep, we gotta go up because we gotta get in
The
line.
planetarium.
We're gonna go see us a
You got the tickets on you?
star
You
show.
got the tickets?
They're in the bag. Where's the bag? There's the projector, the planetarium light projector. It's awesome. It came from outer space.
Yes.
Whoa!
Like plastic.
Isn't that cool?
Feel it.
MOSH is grateful to the Tony Foundation for the Natural Sciences for donating the meteorite. Whoa!
Dude, that's real.
That's a real meteorite, Jedediah. I've got to get a picture of you.
a meteorite.
It's from outer space.
You're touching outer space.
Isn't that awesome? Imagine how many other hands have touched that. Y'all follow Dad. Y'all follow Dad. That's amazing, you guys. That's a big chunk. Man, I would imagine what it was like.
It comes from the moon, right?
Oh, you think this came from the moon? I don't know. It could have just come from like a comet or an asteroid belt or something. Come on, we gotta get in line. It's amazing. I want to come film all the rest of the stuff, but we gotta go in. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Jedediah, It's your first planetarium. Everybody's first planetarium. Shh, it's okay. We're just watching. It's like watching a movie up on top. Oh, you're gonna have to hold his seat. Daddy's gotta hold the seat. I have to hold Josie's seat too. Sit down. No, ma'am. Look at this. It's so up. Cool. Look.
No, we haven't changed anything.
Do you see the astronaut suit? Neil Armstrong Apollo 11 spacesuit.
And as soon as he
Whoa,
starts
this is a replica of his spacesuit. But isn't that cool? Jedediah, did you see? Can you imagine wearing something similar to like that? In outer space, floating around. Look at this. These are pictures of people. The first servicing mission. Second servicing mission. Making upgrades. The setting sun. I like that picture.
Me too.
I know, y'all. Just think it's so cool. Touching the thing. I mean, they've coated it. It's been coated and sealed in something. It's really neat, though. These are pictures from the Hubble Space Telescope, Jedediah.
Mama's talking to you.
It's so cool. Yeah, this is the Orion Nebula.
The video was a little blurry. You notice that?
I don't know. I have my glasses on, so
Wasn't like crisp.
I think it wasn't very bright. I was expecting it to be a little bit brighter.
Maybe that's what it was.
Starburst. Bright blue stars. That is pretty. I like that
Neil
one.
Armstrong. Get off of
They
it.
call this one the jewel box, because look at all those stars.
Apollo 11.
Whoa, cool! Is that like the pod?
Yeah.
That's so crazy. No, it's just a replica of what it looked like, what they came back to Earth in. That dropped down, had parachutes that came out of the top, and they landed in the ocean.
That might be.
Cool. Y'all want a picture by that? Yeah.
Okay.
And what is
Everybody
this
turn
one?
around.
John Glenn Mercury
Everybody turn
spacesuit.
around. Okay. Josie.
Cool. That's a portable spacesuit cooling unit. That's a big old cooling unit. Okay, we've put the money in, so now you
All right.
start to
Everybody
crank.
stand back.
Everybody will get a little turn.
Stand back.
Don't crank it all the way
One
around. I
time.
would just do it.
One time around.
Okay, one time around.
Right
All right,
there.
stop. All right.
Audrey. One time around.
Everybody's gonna get a turn to do it. Watch the gears. It's really cool.
Yeah,
Let me come
that's
around.
it.
All right, Whitaker.
Whitaker, one time around.
Watch out, Josie. Okay, now let's let Josie have a turn.
Josie. It's starting to get tough this time.
All right,
Push.
do it. Do it.
All right.
All
I'm
right.
gonna finish it
And
out.
Daddy's gonna do it.
Move.
You let Jedediah finish it out.
Go ahead, Jedi.
All right, finish it off, Jedediah. Is it getting hard?
Yep.
Whoa, there it is.
What?
That's our penny we put in there.
That's it.
Let everybody have a turn looking at it. Let Whitaker look. And then I'll look.
Oh my god.
Show Josie.
I hope I didn't put a penny that was worth anything.
Oh, a penny that's worth anything.
And to put a new shiny.
Oh, so squished penny. All right, let me hold it. Can I see it, Josie? She's gonna go. She's gonna put it back.
Give it to Mom.
Let me see. I want to see it.
Is there gonna be some more?
No, just one. That's it.
I don't know if I can get it to focus. It says MOSH.
Yeah.
Museum of Science and History. Stop. Oh, and the back is just squished. All right, that was cool. Old school. This is cool. I want to peek around through the door. Whitaker, where are you going, bud? Oh, you want to look at the door? You want to ring the doorbell? Ring the doorbell. Ding dong. Anybody home? We don't go in there. Come on. We have to go this way. Yeah. This is what's in here. Look at how old it is. No, you can't go inside. It's just to look at. 1964. Love it. It's so retro. That would be the year. That's why, look at everything. That's why everything looks so retro and old, and it doesn't look like our new stuff. Let's keep walking. We got more to go. Looks like we're in a little mini city. A little mini town. Oh, barbershop. Look at the little
So
curly.
you would go to get your hair cut. And your beard trimmed.
Yep. Specifically men and boys went to barbershops. Yeah, not like bad drugs. It was more like going to get medicines, painkillers like aspirin or cough syrup or something like that. Ooh, come here. Look, Dad's in an old theater. He's in an old-time theater. It's like walking around old streets, corners and stuff. The Imperial.
Well, right here is what they used to look like.
Oh, Josie. Come here. Okay. I'm going to go with Josie for a second. I see it. Oh my goodness. Look at this guy. He's got
like that.
He has an ostrich. He's got
Imagine
an ostrich.
this is what we do
pulling his
now to
cart.
record. This is what they used to do to record.
Come here,
It
Josie.
used to be that big. It used to be on rolls of film right here. See right
Josie,
here?
come here.
Rolls
Yeah.
of film. What it used to be on. Now look, it's
Now
all
look,
here.
we film with this little
In fact,
tiny
we
camera right
film
here.
with our phones.
We could even film with our phones, but that's what
Film
they
with our
used to.
phones.
Don't
that's
touch the
called a
glass.
projector.
That's so cool. All these. These are projectors too.
Yep.
And look, it's an old silent film. There's no sound. This is a silent film where you could only do reading and like you could hear the music and stuff. But can you imagine that's what they used to have to do, just watch the old silent films.
Audrey.
Hello, sir. You're looking mighty dapper today. Look at this. Look, it turned into like brick walkway. Sounds like, oh no, that sound is the fire. Because it had a great big fire that happened. Downtown Jacksonville was completely destroyed by fire.
Wow.
Yeah, look at everything's all charred and stuff. And let's go, Jojo.
What it used to look like.
Yeah, that's what Jacksonville used to look like a long time ago. With all those little old. Look at that's a Noah's Ark toy. No, this right here. This is a whole Noah's Ark toy. Cute, huh? Oh, Audrey, this would be like a dress that a little girl would wear to school. A girl's wool coat and a hat. It's what you would wear to school. And there's the little desks y'all sit at a long time ago in 1879.
Yep.
In the 1800s.
Come on.
You have to sit in a chair. This looks like a boat. That looks like an old steam river boat. Yeah, I don't think it was a paddle boat. Look, you're on the boat. Y'all are on the boat. I'm on the shore.
You're on the boat.
Hey there. See, there's the water. There's the water right below.
All right, come on.
Look it up above. That's really cool. They have it look like it's got. Yeah, this is a steam one because smoke's coming out of the top. Big old smokestack. Oh yeah, there's a boat there, and then the big light. Is this?
Right there is one of the first steam
So this was a railroad steam locomotive headlight. This is the headlight that goes on the front of a steam engine.
This is a railroad.
Yeah, because look. Did you see the light? It's the headlight of a big steam locomotive. Steam engine. I like this wooden floor. You see this floor, Marty? I like that. You gonna push? Whoa. It's a steam sawmill and brick kiln. Steamships, so it's just showing you basically a steam engine of sorts, huh, Dad? That's the sawmill. See, it's turning the saw blade up at the top.
Wait, is that for cutting wood?
Yep.
Yes.
Ooh, it got dark over here.
Come on, guys, don't.
Wow, look, this is like an old cabin. Do you see that? That's for taking wool and spinning wool into yarn
go the
and
wrong
stuff
way?
so that way they can.
I think
I think we entered into the wrong. We went in the wrong direction, but that's okay. Oh, looks like fire.
Alright.
Alligator under the dock. Don't let it get you. See the alligator?
Look, that's a colony out there.
Josie's like, I'm gonna stomp on it. I get you. You got it. Ooh, you figured out how to undo it. Good job. Brain teasers. We're on the brain teaser section. Mind-bending puzzles and games. Dad likes these. Oh, I see, Audrey. It's a big pegboard game. Dad got it.
That was already there.
But you gotta think it's for children too, so it's a little bit trickier.
It was already there.
What was?
Yes.
Oh, you already had it, pretty much.
Somebody already had it.
Somebody already had it. Figured out. Hey, don't walk away with it, Jedediah. Come here. Dad can help Whitaker, because Whitaker's struggling, Dad. Audrey is going to make... Is it a cat or a fox? Kind of looks like a fox. Or it could be a cat. Cat fox. We're going to call it a cat fox. So, we're going to help you. We all want to try to do it together. Make sure I got all the others, yes. Well, this is the tail.
Not making a cat.
What do you mean? Yes, we are. This one, right here. I want to make that one.
Making.
What, you gonna make a bunny? Dad's got the head for you. Finish it. Do the body. This is part of the body, right here.
Not making a cat.
Do we have all the pieces for the body?
Yes.
And there. This is the tail. Ta-da! We did it! Dad's getting it just right. Wait. Honestly, nah. Okay. Ta-da! We did it.
Step them back.
Step back, guys. Stay behind the line. Yep.
In case there are people that are coming off.
Nope,
All right,
we're
get
good.
on.
All right. Party in the elevator, you guys.
Yeah, what floor is it?
We're gonna go down
Everybody
to...
get out of the way.
First floor?
Yep.
Yep.
First floor number
Number
2.
one.
Or no, number 2.
Number 1. Unless, where's your...
Oh, yeah, click it, son.
Push your number,
Push it.
Jedi. You're hesitating.
That was fun.
Whoa, we still gotta go down one more.
This isn't our stop
That's
yet.
not our stop.
Stay here.
Stay on, that's not our stop. Gotta go down one more.
That was his stop.
Stay here. You're like hesitating.
I feel weird on it.
Don't you like how it's clear? Where you can see?
Can I jump?
It doesn't go that fast. Let's go. Let's get off.
All right.
Ready, set. Let's go wash our hands. I spy with my little eye something that's brown and green.
Whose head
Josie, come
goes
here.
into a turtle.
Josie,
Goes into a turtle.
come here.
Goes into a shell.
Come here.
Don't touch it. He will bite. Turtle-
What's
turtle-
over here?
He will bite your fingers off.
Josie, what's over here?
Josie,
What's over here?
he will bite your fingers off.
Don't touch him.
That's a turtle.
He
I don't
will.
know what kind of turtle. it
Don't
is.
touch.
Don't touch.
Is it a snapping alligator?
No, probably not. Why? They probably wouldn't have snapping alligator turtles. But
Hi,
there's a
guy.
turtle.
It's okay. Don't hide.
1 minute.
I almost want to like put him back in, but I don't want to wash my hands again.
Well, he came out
Hi.
on his own.
Hi, turtle.
It's a big turtle. Well,
What'd you say?
He's sleeping out his own poop.
He's sleeping in his own poop. That's not poop. That's algae.
it's algae growing on his shell.
Like that stuff that grows in our fish tank?
What? He's weighing.
He's not laying in poop. No, that's his skin. You see all that? That's his skin on his body. Hi. Oh, he doesn't like the camera. Okay. Look, my camera goes out and in
I heard it
just like a turtle.
Watch you.
You're a white blood cell, Dad. You gotta get all that bad bacteria. See, he's gotta save the red blood cell, but don't get the red blood cell. Good job. Come on. Come on, Whitaker Shane. We're at Fountain, Friendship Fountain.
tired.
Yeah, you're tired? I haven't been here in years, and now here I am with my own little children at the fountain. What? I don't know.
Like where these jets are going.
Oh, at night, yeah. At night, it's all lit up and colorful and going crazy, yes. You like it? Isn't it pretty? Haven't been here in so
Look at how
long.
much money you can make.
Isn't that a beautiful sight? Look!
Collecting all those coins.
I love it, you guys.
With a magnet.
Yeah?
So click, 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 click,
Get all
click,
that money. That's Mommy's old city, you guys. Where I born and raised. At least all around here I was. Alright, we're about to leave. We gotta go have some lunch. But I just wanted to film it one more time because it's just so pretty. I loves it. And then landing is across the way. Be nice to go to the landing. But I don't know if we're gonna do that. I don't know if we're gonna get to do that this time. Let me see if I can film the thing. There it is. The Jacksonville landing. All them boats out there. Loves it. Oh, there's no boats. I thought there were boats along the dock. I thought there were boats docked along the thing, but there's not. I'm gonna miss you. Bridge is going up. I saw the top of the sailboat right over there.
Yep. Here it comes. Watch, you'll see a boat come
I
underneath
see
the
a boat
bridge.
come through. Yep. They still have to raise up a sailboat. They still got to raise the bridge up in the middle. It's apart in two different sections and it splits up. Here comes the boat. I see the tip. There it is. There's the top of the boat. Because the boat was too tall, big old sailboat. And then the bridge will lower back down as soon as it clears.
Yep, watch, you'll see the bridge go back down.